So we are live. Are we? Probably takes a minute. Yeah, I see it. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is Poonam from Turquoise Touch and
Hi, Mamta from Classy and Sassy.
signing in into yet another live session. It's 2 o'clock, and we are back as promised with our exciting combo deals for the pre-festive season. And basically, this week we have brought to you some exciting combinations.
Maybe you want to do someone.
Sorry about that. So we've got you some exciting combination lives. We thought that since there is Raksha Bandhan coming around the corner, and we have Eid and Varalakshmi,
Varalakshmi.
and even Ganesh Chaturthi for that matter is just a couple of weeks away. We thought, why not do a combo live with some festival items combined with some exciting accessories from Turquoise Touch. So we have got for you today a lot of varieties of diyas, kumkum danis, some tea
Potli bags.
lights, potli bags, and some other exciting gifting items that you can very smartly combine with accessories. And hopefully you like this unique combo that we have designed for you. We have marked down the prices very heavily to make all of the combos very affordable. Almost most of the combos are under $55 today. So we've tried to keep in point the affordability and the price point factor. So hope you guys like what we've got for you. And for those of you who are joining us for the first time, a little bit about our brands. I run a local home-based boutique called as Turquoise Touch by Poonam, wherein I basically create designs for accessories using natural gemstones. These are healing gemstones and crystals, which have healing properties, aura cleansing properties. These pieces are chanted upon, they are infused with a lot of energy, and try to design unique items. We don't repeat any designs. So I try to keep bringing to you a lot of new designs in the contemporary accessories, fusion accessories. And then Mamta will say a little bit about what Classy and Sassy is all about.
Before that, I would like to tell you what I'm wearing today. I'm very short you on actually. It's one of Classy and Sassy's beautiful piece. I don't know if you can see. It's a Shiv Parvati, and I had just loved it. Went so good with my bottle green today. I had to wear it.
So
Isn't
this
it
is
looking
one of
pretty?
the Tanjore pendants. It's a hand painted pendant from Turquoise Touch collection, and she's looking absolutely gorgeous in this collection. And it's one of my personal favorite
Mine too.
pieces. Being a Shiv Bhakt as well, I think it brings a lot of good aura and positivity to the wearer. Hi Ameya, hi Navi, hi Jingle, hi Shweta.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Thanks for joining us. Could you guys just let us know if you're able to see us clearly and if we're
Here.
properly audible with a thumbs up or a heart or a comment, so then we can dive straight into our live today. So, are you guys able to hear us well?
So I'm Mamta. Those of you who's joining in first time, if you all don't know me, this is Mamta Chabra from Classy and Sassy. I bring to you all sorts of home decor, homewares, also starting with some new accessories this year. But basically, the home decor includes trendy as well as traditional, more so oriented towards festivities. Since I always missed that for my own self, I thought, why not bring it in for everybody. Initially, I used to do it just for friends, and then slowly, it just panned out to be a small side business for me because I just love the enjoy the festivities as much as everybody does. I guess it's just we don't get to do enough since we live here. But now I think we do much more than even people do it in India.
Absolutely.
So
Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna dive straight into the live. The first combination that I have today is gonna be all green colored items. Green is a sacred color in all the religions, and we really, start a lot of our auspicious activities, with green colored stuff. So we have got you some exciting combinations of jewelry as well as home decor and puja items in green.
it's gonna match me today.
Yes, and
I'm
she
wearing
is
green.
wearing green too, so that's perfect. So I have for you these two lovely Potli bags over here.
It's a silk printed hoodie.
So it's got nice brocade print on it, and we have decided to combine that with this beautiful necklace. It's a Ganesha necklace. Can you guys see clearly? It's a beautiful Ganesha necklace. Comes with a pair of coordinated earrings. I'm gonna let you hold that so I can open the earrings. These are the earrings, and they have a Ganesha motif. It's a beautiful Ganesha stud on top.
On the earring as well.
Yes, and there is some crystal inlays in them and moti latkans at the bottom. So this particular necklace and this Potli bag, we're offering a combo deal today. So those of you who like it, take a screenshot and I'll tell you the pricing in just a moment. The original price for this necklace was $50, but I have marked it down to $40, and this Potli and a total for this particular item is going to be just $46, guys. So in $46, you can get this cute little Potli and this red and green Ganesha necklace with a pair of earrings. The jhumkas are pretty long. They're a good decent size. So if you want to wear them by themselves also, they look pretty nice.
Very pretty for the upcoming festive
Yes,
season,
it's a really good piece of temple jewelry.
Jewelry, yes.
The entire material is hypoallergenic. It's not going to give you any kind of a reaction. So, just for $46, it's not a bad deal at all. So, next up is this cute jute potli in green as well.
With sequin embroidery as well as gota
It's got
work.
very cute gotapatti work, and this potli can also be combined with this neck piece. And the total pricing will be $57. This is all in jute, so it's a little bit more expensive than the other potli. And if you combine these two together with the earrings, the entire set is for $57.
So beautiful bottle green,
And the necklace also has colors of green, ruby, and gold, so it really complements each other very, very well. So that's my next combination for $57. I also have some cocktail rings that I'm going to combine with these potlis. So I'm going to show you a few of them. And we have all of these pictures that have been uploaded on our Facebook Live, the Facebook event page. So if, for some reason you're not able to see these pictures clearly on the live, so please do refer to the pictures on our event page and you should be able to see them there as well. So this is another beautiful cocktail ring in a green floral design. Here you go. It's a very, very cute green colored. These are emeralds. These are low grade emeralds. These are not pure emeralds because pure emeralds will not come for this price. But these are low grade emeralds with American diamonds.
It's a very clean make.
It's a very, very clean make, very pretty ring. The stones are a little bit darker than what they're seen in the video.
True.
And that's the back side of it. So if you combine this particular ring with this potli, the entire combination is just for $36. Just for $36, the ring and this green color potli.
And of course, guys, as usual, if you guys order your stuff today, you get an extra
I'm going to knock off just $5 off your
$5.
entire order. Depending on how many pieces you're going to order, there'll be more discounts. But
Absolutely.
if you order one combo today, we will knock off extra $5 off of the entire order. If you order more than one items, you will be getting more than one discounts. So going forward, if you combine this particular ring with this jute bag, then the total combination is going to be for $40. Just for $40, guys. Beautiful ring. It's a nice bottle green emerald color lotus ring with American diamond detailing, just for 40 bucks. The whole combo.
Pretty nice size, actually.
Yes. So that's one ring. The next one up over here is this really cute. This is a pista green colored ring. It has kundan inlays and a ruby center stone with ruby crystals on the border. And all of these rings with this potli are going to be $36, and with this potli are going to be $40. So it's the same price. I have just marked all of the rings down to the same price so we don't have any confusion and you guys get the best deal. So that's my second ring. Beautiful pista green. It's called golden emboss on the design. This is entire Meena work in matte finish for 36 with this potli and for 40 with this one.
And she has a ton of them to match. Okay, she has a wide range of rings that you can mix and match with it. Whichever pottery you would like to.
Absolutely. Next ring that I have to show you guys in green is this really pretty. I'm going to remove it. It's a very, very pretty ring. This has a emerald center again, and the entire flower work is stone based. It's done in stone. It's all American diamonds and baguettes. Again, same deal with the green potli for 36 and this jute potli for $40.
And guys, I do have many more colors and potlys as well. Again, there's all sorts of pictures, close-ups on posted on the event, but you can always also message me or at Classy and Sassy to ask for pictures or any other information.
Next up is this beautiful single color kundan ring. It's a gorgeous kundan ring. It's really good quality kundan, as I will show you the back side of it. See, it's a good quality kundan. This is Hyderabadi kundan, which is a really pure quality kundan. Same deal. If you combine this ring, it's a nice monotone color, so it'll go really well on any outfits. You can combine it with your traditional or Western outfits. 36 with the green potli and 40 with this one. Sure. She'll show you some colors also in the potlis as we speak. This particular combination is for green color, so I have paired up everything that's in green. But just to give you guys an idea, there are other colors in the jute potli. If you want to make a combination other than green, then we have a pink color potli as well. There's a red color in the similar design, and we have a navy blue color as well. These are really pretty colors, and you can't go wrong when you're pairing them up with any of your ensembles. These are very, very cute colors. Next up, next up is this really pretty oval ring. It's again in pista green Meena work. This is pista green Meena work. Can you guys see clearly? So pista green Meena work with some red color stones and some kundan inlays. It's an oval ring. And the same combination, it's for 36 bucks with this green potli, and with the jute one, it's for $40. So take a screenshot, guys. Let's move it over. I think the light is bothering. Okay, with the same potlies, I have some bracelets to show you, and I think that will also do a really good justice. Look at this, guys. Such a cute little bracelet in green color. Are you guys able to see clearly? So these bracelets were retailed at 45, but I have lowered the pricing for the combo. So these are basically for 40 bucks. If you combine them with this potli, it's going to be for 35, and with this one for 40. So same deal we're offering as the rings. It's a beautiful leaf design. It's like a fern design. It's got green color stone detailing as well as some beautiful American diamonds detailing over here. Very, very cute design. 36 bucks with this potli and $40 with this one. So that's my first bracelet deal. I have the same design in a mixed color. In a mixed color. Yes, it's reddish pink and green. Very, very cute. Very good quality stones and very, very good quality craftsmanship. All of these are based on copper and brass. There's no lead or nickel used. So these are all hypoallergenic. Same deal, 36 with the green potli and 40 with the jute one. Another bracelet I have is this really cute floral bracelet. Very, very cute design. It has green and pink stones as well. And all of these are diamonds, American diamonds. So all of these lines are diamonds. They may not be very clearly visible because these are really small diamonds, but when you look at them in reality, they are very, very beautiful. So that's my next bracelet for 36 with the green potli and for 40 bucks with the jute one. One more design for you guys. Very, very pretty Kangan design. These are all single pieces. We don't have any replicas. These are all single design pieces. Again, a very cute combination of green and red with diamond inlays for 36 and $40 with the potlies.
The choices are endless, guys.
Yes, I have tried to couple with as many varieties as possible so that way you have a good varieties to pick from. You have a good pool of choices to pick from. Next up is another bracelet. It's a really cute floral design. It's in magenta pink, kind of like a Firoza pink color. And all of this is all diamond work. So it's diamond and stone bracelet. This is another design. If you like this, take a screenshot.
And again, you can always make your own combo if you like.
Yes,
We have
from
some.
whatever we are showing, if you want to mix and match, you can always inquire for our combo price and we can customize these combos for you. These are just what we thought were the best combinations based on price and color. This is another really cute design. Yes, it has a network, and there are these alternate colors, pink and green flowers, and all of the jalis have diamonds in it. These are all American diamonds. Very, very cute. So that's one more design. I have a few more that I'm going to show you. If you guys have any questions, please message us. Look at this. For those of you who don't like very heavy or gaudy ones, these are really cute, lightweight, delicate bracelets. This combination is a very hit combination, guys. So a lot of bracelets are made in this Firoza and green color. This has kind of like a floral and leaf-like design. Very pretty. And again, all of the borders are diamonds. 36 with the green one and 40 with the jute bag. One more in Firoza. This is a little heavy look bracelet, but I've still marked it at the same price in the same price bucket. So it's a great deal for you guys. This one is also for the same pricing. It's a very cute Firoza bracelet, pink color with stone detailing. There's baguette detailing, a lot of baguettes. Baguettes are very pricey, guys. They are expensive of the American diamonds. So they look really, really pretty and shiny when you wear them. Low grade emerald, low grade ruby in the center. Same price, 36 and 40. My last bracelet in this particular combination is this one. A very cute chakra design with baguette detailing, and all of these are diamonds. Very, very cute. 36 with this one and $40 with the jute potli. By themselves, if you want to get these are 30 bucks each. I have marked them down from $45 to 30. We can also combine these, all the bracelets that I showed you, we can also combine this with this really pretty marble kumkum dani. It's a whole single piece made with marble. And it's got a Ganpati on top, if you can see. And here are the eyes. If you can see, here is the eye of the Ganpati, both sides. And you can combine this with a green, a red, pink, puri. It's a slide-on marble kumkum dani. Really, very nicely made, very beautiful. The slide is very smooth. And it also has these beautiful red and green color combinations, so it's perfect for the festive season. Yes. And it can be combined with all of these bracelets, and together the combination is only $45. So $45 for all the bracelets that I showed along with the kumkum dani. That's a really good deal. It's an authentic marble. It's a real stone kumkum dani. That's a closer look, guys. Look at the detailing. This is all handcrafted, hand painted. It's a paisley design with peacock detailing. Looks very, very cute even to give as a gift. You know, if you buy the bracelet and kumkum dani combo, you could split it up into two different gifts and gift it to two different people, or you could keep one of the items for yourself and give the other one to your friend or loved ones. And I think it's a great deal. There's all hand Swarovskis. The Swarovskis are all hand stuck. The border has hand painting as well as detailing. So with the bracelets, it's going to be $45. It's a perfect time, guys, for this. Plus, it's a year-round use item. You can use it for Rakhi, you can use it for Tika, you can use it for your pujas, you can use it in the mandir. If you want to combine this with the necklace, we can do it for 60 bucks. And I'll give you an extra $5 off if you place the order today. So it'll be for $55, which is a great deal because just the necklace itself was $55.
Absolutely.
And now we're throwing in another Kumkum Dani. It's a very heavy duty, nice, heavyweight, great gift. So $55 if you place your order today. After tomorrow, it'll be a $60 combo. So that's a good combo to make as well. And you can also combine these with the rings that I showed. So if you combine these with any of the cocktail rings, you can again have it for $45, which is a great combo. So that's the Kumkum Dani. We also have these cute little, can you get me the other elephant? We have these cute little elephant tea lights, which are very, very funky. And you can combine these. See, that's how they look. You can place your tea lights in here and you can combine these elephants with any of the jewelry items that I showed today. So with the necklace, they will be $50. The two elephants and the Ganesha necklace will be $50. And the bracelets and the finger rings will be just $35 with these. Set of two Ganeshas, set of two elephant tea lights with either the cocktail rings or the bracelets.
I have many more colors in these. They come in pairs, and I have many more colors. You can just ping me, message me. I'll show you all sorts of colors. They are very fun. You can just put them on countertops or on the floor, anywhere. They're just very cute. Put your tea lights and you're good to go.
Hi Dishi, thanks for joining. Hi Uzma, thank you. Hi Ashwini, Mayuri. I didn't realize we had so many people
Yes, you didn't scroll
join
down.
us. Yeah, hi Vaishali. Hi Anuja.
Anuja.
Thank you guys for joining us. Let us know if we need to do something differently or better in order for you guys to understand. If we're doing something wrong, do let us know. We're trying to show you all possible combinations. So I understand that it can get a little confusing because there are just so many possible combos. So it's okay. The main purpose of the Facebook Live is to show you these items in real, how they look, so you get a good idea of the look and the feel and the quality of the items. Pricing and all other questions can always be addressed later. We can always make all possible combos for you, but I really want to everybody to focus on just looking at the quality of all the items that we're showing you. So these look really cute as table place settings, or just to enhance decor at a party or a get together, or even like if you have a puja coming up where you're hosting it in a smaller group. These can be really cute decor items, to use, or otherwise too. So like I said, with the ring and the bracelets, the elephants are for $35, and with the necklace, they will be for $45. And I'll knock off an extra $5 if you place your order today. Yes, I think so. I had one small little item to show you, and again, this can be combined with any of the items that I showed you. This is a really cute shimmer chain pista green color pearl necklace. It's a very, very pretty necklace. Comes with a coordinated earring. The earring is basically Swarovski studded top with a pearl drop. And these are real shell pearls that have been colored, they have been dyed, and the metallic chains look very, very smart when you wear them. So this necklace by itself is for 45, but if you combine it with any of the decor items, I am going to take $10 off. So it will be just for $35 combined with any of the items that I showed you today. So with the tea lights, the entire combo will be for 40 bucks, 4040. With the Kumkum Dani, it's gonna be for $50 because I'm gonna give you this for 35 and you can have this for an additional 15. With this one, it's gonna be for $40. With the jute potli, it's gonna be for $50. So the endless combinations are possible. So I just wanted to show you this because it's green in color, and I think it goes really well with all of these combinations that we have. You can make these different permutation combinations, like I said, as gifts, or you can use it for yourself. If any of you have any questions about the pricing or are confused, just take a screenshot right now and then ask me the pricing later. So that's what I had for the green colored combo pieces. I'm going to move on to a different color combination that I had thought for you guys, and that is a blue color combination. I have all of these items in blue that I have got for you. So let's start with that. First, I'm going to show you all the items from Classy and Sassy so you get a good idea of the selection. And then I will show you how I'm going to combine it with stuff from my store. So I have these really cute Lumbas. Huh? These are basically, to me, when I saw them, they look like Kalires, but they're like very cute velvet pom-pom bangles. Very, very cute in design. So that's the first item from my blue colored combo. And look how fancy they look.
You just kind of slide it in.
Yeah.
Free size.
It's a free size. It's one size fits all. Very, very cute. Easy wear, very lightweight Lumbas. That's what they call them. So that's my first item.
There is a second item I'm going to show. It's a blue color velvet envelope. And these are gift card holders, or you can put your money bills in, and Rocky gifts, or any other wedding event that you're going to. It's a very, very cute velvet envelope with some floral stuff on it, as you can see.
You know what other really good use I thought for these? I am a person who loves to write her intentions and visions, and I like to put those chits near where we normally place our deities. So this is a really nice and fancy envelope where you can even put in your visions, your intentions, if there is a goal that you've been working towards, because like they say that when you place something beautiful and attractive near where your deities and your gods are, it helps in manifesting those thoughts, those intentions. So this could be another really cute use for these envelopes, along with the stuff that she mentioned, for a Rakhi gift, or to, put some cards or money or some other valuables in it and give. But you can also use this in your own house. Write your cute little intentions, any thoughts that you want to manifest, tuck them inside in this beautiful envelope and place it near where your gods are, and just look at the magic, because everybody loves pretty things, and it'll look really nice in your little temple corner, and it'll help you manifest all your thoughts and goals.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, so I literally it just came to my mind right now, and I had to say it because these are so lightweight, and the price is, you're going to be blown away with the combo price when I give you these.
And I'm not surprised that the idea came from you.
Yes,
That's very much you.
yes. One more really cute item that I want to show you guys is this very innovative and cute looking tea light holder. It's got a whole bunch of stuff going on in here. There's intricate moti detailing. There's a little bangle-like structure that has been, stuck on the back side of it is actually like jali, right? It's a little nice jali plating, and it's a metal plating, and the lace is all gota patti. Look at this, guys. This is all handmade. Yeah, it's very rich looking and very, very pretty.
And I have many colors in that.
Yes, we have multiple color combos available, but because I'm doing blue right now, I'm going to show you all the blue items. And then at the end, she will show you each and every piece, whichever other color combinations are available. She's going to show you that. This is all handcrafted, little yellow flower detailing on this. Very, very pretty. You can buy it as a single item or even in a pair, and it look really nice. So that's another item. I'm just going to show you a couple more and then we'll go into the combo pricing. And this cute little velvet jardosi and gotapatti pink blue jute potli.
Since we're doing the blue,
Yes.
I know we showed you this color earlier,
Yes.
but again, we're showing it again since we're doing a blue combo right now.
Yes. So look at all this. All of these are blue items. So these are the items from Classy and Sassy. I'm going to combine these items with this pretty neck piece that I have from my store. It's an absolutely gorgeous silver. It's an oxidized German silver neck piece. It is kind of like a choker, not exactly a choker. It comes a little bit down. So I'm going to just put it on my neck and show you. It comes like that. And it comes with a beautiful pair of silver earrings. Very, very cute combination. The colors matched perfectly. It has a little loop at the back side to fasten the neck piece. Very sturdy, yet very, very lightweight. It's a very, very lightweight neck piece. This is one of those neck pieces that I would travel with completely because there is no risk of breaking anything here. It's a very sturdy neck piece. It's all weaved, hand weaved in thread beads with a thread hustley at the back and these cute little triple silver pendant. The pendants also have detailings in it. These are all Sanskrit and chakra and spiritual detailings. Some of them I don't know what they stand for, but they're very, very pretty to look at.
I would totally rock it on Western or
Yes, and it's a very versatile piece. It will go on either of them. So I'm going to talk about the first combo pricing. So this particular neck piece was for $45. Just for you guys, I'm going to mark it down by $10 to 35. And with this lumba, if you want to combine all three, then what's going to be our pricing? 35 for the neck piece and $5 for the lumba, 40. So it'll be a round figure of $40 for the lumba neck piece and the earrings. So take a screenshot, $40 combo with the lumba. With this potli, if you want to combine it, it's going to be $45. 45 with the potli. 35 for the neck piece and $40 combo. So five for the this one. If you want two of them, then it'll be a $45 combo. If you want just a single piece, I would recommend buying it in a pair. Normally, we say anything that we take for the purpose of using it in a temple or religious or a spiritual purpose has to be bought in pairs. It brings you more luck. It brings you more positivity. So a single item will be 40 bucks. If you combine them, it's gonna be 45.
the tea lights. I think look really good when they're paired together.
Yes. And then with the envelope, it's the same deal. It's $40 with the earrings, necklace, and the envelope. The ensemble pricing is going to be $40. I think it's a really good steal deal. It will make a very nice gift for Varalakshmi or Raksha Bandhan for your sisters or your bhabis. Like I said, you can always break up the gift, keep an item for yourself, and give the other one. Did I miss any in the blue? I think I went through all of them. So that's the combination with the neck piece. Now I'm going to combine all of these items from Classy and Sassy with some of my bracelets. And I have one ring. This was a really cute. I was very lucky that I actually found one blue ring that goes really, really pretty. This ring was also $35. I've marked it down to 25 just for y'all. So with this envelope, the ensemble pricing is gonna be $30. It's a really pretty color, and I only have one of this teardrop shaped ring. I'm gonna give you a close up of it. It's got Meena detailing, and it has Jaipur Kundan. The inlay is Jaipur Kundan. The appearance of Jaipur Kundan is a little bit different than Hyderabadi or Pachi Kundan. So, and then very, very cute moti border. There's a moti border, and there's this brush, a matte gold filigree finish is what I call. It's a filigree design on top of a blue colored Meena. So 40 bucks, sorry, 30 bucks because I marked it down to $25. So 30 for the whole combo with the envelope. Same way, $30 with the diya and the ring. And if you want to add another diya, it's $35 because we'll add another $5. It doesn't have to be a blue color diya. You can even get one blue, one green, one red. You can do a staggering combo if you want. So $30 for one set of diya and one ring, and $35 for one ring and two sets of diyas.
Like I said, guys, we have many different colors. I have
Yes.
colors in all the items. So
Yes.
just kind of ping me and ask me what colors. I'll send you pictures for any color options.
Absolutely. With this Portly, it's gonna be 32, no, sorry, 25, 35, $37, guys. $37. I will mark off an extra $5 for all the orders that are placed today. I'll get that goes for each and every order, so I don't even have to mention it again. But each and every order that you guys are placing today will get an extra $5 discount for your order.
Goes without saying. So
Yes,
order
goes
now.
without. In every live, we give you a lot of incentives. We really are not making much on these pieces, but because it's a festival season, we want you all to have good deals, feel good about yourself, and have some really good, nice items to welcome the festival season. So $37 for this combo. And if you combine the Lumba and the ring, it's just 30 bucks. You get a fancy little bracelet and a ring just for $30. So you're basically getting this for the entire cost of the ring and less actually. So if you guys have any questions, just take the screenshots for now and then you can shoot us a message. I have a couple of bracelets that I'm going to combine. All these bracelets have been marked down to 30 bucks. This is a very cute little bracelet. It's in jet black, but it looks almost blue color. That's the reason I combined it. So with the Lumba, this combination is going to be $35. With the Dia as well, it's going to be $35. With the envelope, $35 and $42 with the potli. Same pricing is going to be for these next two other bracelets that I'm going to show you. I had shown you that green color bracelet in this similar design. I have one more color in this. It's a black color, almost looks like a dark blue with baguettes and stone detailing. Same pricing. The envelope and the bracelet is going to be 35. The Lumba and the bracelet is going to be 35 as well. The Dia and the bracelet is going to be 35 as well. And the Potli and the bracelet is going to be $42. And one last bracelet. This is actually a royal blue color bracelet. Look at this. It is a blue color bracelet. Goes perfectly with all of these items that I just showed you. Same pricing as the other bracelets. Very, very pretty. And this is the last piece I have in blue color. Very, very unique, It's like a blue sapphire. with all the stone and baguette detailing. So message me if you guys are interested. Message me or message Mamta if you're interested in any of these items. This was our blue color, basically. All the blue color combos is what I showed you.
So we're done with the blue.
We are done with the blue color combos. I'm going to move on to another combo that I have made for you guys. In the interim, I also wanted to let you guys know that I have gift cards from my store. So if any of you ever have a concern that you want to gift something to somebody but you don't know what their choices are, or you're not sure if they would like something that you have bought for them, you can always purchase gift cards from my store. You can either Zelle me, drop off cash, Venmo, or PayPal me. I will fill up the gift card. I can also mail these gift cards on your behalf to the recipient. You can pick them up from me and give it to the person if it's their birthday or anniversary, and they can always come with the gift card and pick up anything of their choice with the value on the gift card. So these work just like your regular store gift cards. They have all my information over here at the back. I will put the gift card value on it and write it up for your loved one. I thought this was another idea because a lot of my clients keep saying that, we're not sure what we should give. We're not sure if they like what we are buying for them. So this takes the decision making out of your pocket, and it helps you to give something that they like. They can pick what they want. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have gift cards that you can use. And this is a really good accessory to explore in COVID times because it reduces contact. You don't really have to step out of your house. Just buy a gift card from Turquoise Touch and you can buy the gift of love for your loved ones. So moving on. Okay. So we had uploaded a few pictures of how these rangolis look. We have these portable rangolis, as I call them.
They're based on Nina work jewelry.
They look just like it though. Very lightweight, very, very easy to carry it with you, and very easy to, you can basically lay it anywhere in the house if you want, which is a fun part. So you don't have to worry about using powder colors and then your kids just prowling all over the house and just ruining the rangoli. These are really easy to set up. You can buy multiple of these and keep, and then just set them up all over the house wherever you want. So
Comes in a box. Very high quality. They come in a box. Box contains 7-piece rangoli in many different patterns and designs.
so this one has like peacock paisley design. She has bunch of these varieties. This one is in blue and red Meena. The one she showed is basically green, blue, and red. There's a little bit of hint of blue, but majority dominantly it's red and green in color. This one has a chakra center, and then it just basically sits like that. You can make like a nice little circle. These pictures are uploaded in our albums on the event page. So for reference, you can see, but I'm just showing you the quality. So it's alternate colors of blue and red in a peacock paisley design.
And I have a Dia design in this as well. I have a cross design also. So again, I have many more designs in this rangoli and very good quality. You can place them just between the flowers, between the candles, and you can do a bunch of stuff with them.
Uh-huh.
Kitchen counters, dining tables, wherever, even on the ceiling.
Also, one other advantage is that, say, if you are having a Graha Pravesh Puja, then, like she said, she has the Kalash ones. So they are occasion appropriate as well. So there's multiple, there's stuff for Diwali. You can even have something picked up for Eid. It doesn't have to be a Hindu festival. You know, my Muslim friends can find some good use with some of the things that we showed today, like especially the diya holders and all, the tea light holders. They really are not catered towards any particular religion. Even if you're spiritual, even if you don't follow a religion, these are very versatile pieces that can be used by everybody, you know. So those are some of the rangolis that I showed you. We have decided to couple them with this pretty necklace. It is a golden matte gold finish, kind of like a tabiz, a very, very traditional design, yet the shapes are contemporary. And it has like a nice moti stringing. It's a moti jurga, like a moti bunch stringing with a drawstring to adjust the height. Very lightweight piece again. It has kundan inlays. These are all kundans. It's all kundan. It's all Jaipur kundan. That's the back side. Very high finish, very good quality necklace. Comes with a pair of big earrings.
Yeah, the earrings are a very nice size as well.
Look at these guys. So comes with a pair of really pretty big earrings, which has a little bit of Meena work on the sides in matte gold and kundan finish. So the entire neck piece with the rangoli is just gonna be for $55. $55 for this neck piece and that rangoli, or any of the rangolis that you can pick. You can make your own combination. This necklace itself was for $55, but I have lowered the pricing so you guys can get some fancy decor item. So for $55 today, the earrings, neck piece, and the rangolis. So take a note of the pricing so you can let me know, and then I'll give you an extra $5 off if you buy today.
Take a screenshot, guys.
Yes. Since it's a festive special, I have hand picked out all the necklaces that have red green tones.
Absolutely.
So look at this gorgeous, gorgeous agate neck piece with semi precious pearl stringing. These are freshwater pearls with Swarovskis, and it's a floral necklace. The center portion has floral design in it. That's the back side with stone inlays, and these are all freshwater pearls and kundan. This is kundan. Really good quality kundan. So you can also combine this neck piece along with these cute little earrings and those rangolis. The necklace by itself was for $65, but I have marked it down to $50 so you guys can have the neck piece as well as the rangoli combo just for 60 bucks. So it's actually less than even the price of the necklace itself.
This is a great price,
This is a
guys.
really good deal. $60 for the neck piece and any of the rangoli combo, the portable rangoli, the Meenakari rangoli combo. 60 bucks, only $60. Very, very good deal. There's nothing you won't like about this deal. I have one more color in the same necklace, and that's this red color. Same deal, $60. This was also for 65, but I'm offering it for 60 bucks just for today. Beautiful necklaces. These are both very lightweight, so you can actually travel with these necklaces.
Like
So,
she said, we try to keep red and green accessories in,
correct.
and that's why she has lots of colors. Again, she has many more colors, and I also have many more colors. I'm just trying to show now the pieces that we thought were looking good together.
Exactly. So $65 for those. Um, Moving on to our next item. So now I'm going to move on to a little neutral color. So we're going to do something in little beige and champagne colors. So I have a whole bunch of goodies for you. I'm going to show you the items from my store first while Mamta goes and picks up some of the other items from the combo. So the pista green colored pearl necklace I had shown you, I have a few more colors in that. There's this really cute gunmetal and white with a bronze color chain, very, very pretty shimmery chain. Very, very nice, easy, lightweight item to wear if you guys, want to wear it to work or just for a casual outing and you don't want to, like put in something too heavy. It's a really, really cute necklace. All of these necklaces come with a pair of earrings, cute little earrings with a pearl drop. These are all freshwater pearls which have been coated with organic dyes, and there are Swarovski inlays and metallic chains. Very, very cute looking, very, very modern metallic chains. So I have bunch of colors in this. The one I showed you was cream and gunmetal. This one is all gunmetal, like a blackish gray with metallic chains and a pair of earrings. In a lighter color, I have this really cute peach one. It's like a light peach color. High shimmer, high gloss chain. These were all retailed at $45, guys. I have marked them down to $35 just for the combo. Very, very cute earrings. You can wear them by themselves. One more little darker color. It's more like a rust orange type of a color. Very cute chain. And one last color is a brown combination. It's a copper, bronze, copper brown, more like a bronze color. Nice rust color. So all of these can be combined with this really cute beige potli. And I'll make it a $50 combo. So $35 for the necklace and $15 for the potli. And I'll knock off another $5 if you place your order today. Then it'll be a $45 combo. So pick any of these necklaces for 35. They were retailed at 45. See, they were retailed at 45, but today for 35 with the potli. So $50 and another $5 off if you place your order today with any of these. So note the colors, take a screenshot, and depending on how you want to combine them, we can do that. I have another color in the envelope that I showed you previously in blue. So this will be a $40 combo with those necklaces. With any of these necklaces, it's going to be a $40 combo. Really, really good deal, guys. You're getting the necklace and an extra item for less than the price of the necklace. So $40 combo with the envelope. This one has a beige color backside to it, and it has light blue. These are like sky blue, very, very light hue of blue, floral emboss on it. Very cute. This is one of the unique items I've seen in Mamta's collection that I have not seen before. And well, I wanted to show you one more item. This is another Kumkum Dani, a marble one, different from the one Mamta showed you earlier. Same concept, different design. This one is more vibrant in red. It's got a paisley design and it has a blue colored border at the bottom. The earlier one had a green one, I believe. So this is a red and blue. Very, very cute. You can actually combine this also with any of these necklaces just for 50 bucks. 35 for the necklace, 15 for the Kumkum Dani. Very, very good deal for 50 bucks. As I had promised, all my combos are under $50 today. So I have 5 designs of necklaces to pick from. Here you go. All of these are 35 just for today. And I'll knock off an extra $5 off the entire combo if you place your order today. So that was my under 50 combo for the necklaces, the pearl necklaces, the envelope, as well as the Kumkum Dani. Moving forward, I have some more exciting necklaces for you. Look at this gorgeous turquoise necklace.
I love that one.
This is an authentic turquoise necklace. Very, very pretty looking with turquoise chips and turquoise leaves.
Very, very different and very
It has a peacock design on the pendant. The pendant is really good quality oxidized silver with some turquoise accents. Look at this. Gorgeous neck piece. Also comes with 2 cute earrings. Has a leaf motif stuck on it. And a little coral accent. This necklace was for 60 bucks, guys. I have marked it down to $45 just for you guys. If we combine it with this really cute leaf-shaped Kumkum Dani, it's a pan-shaped or leaf-shaped as we call it, which is considered as a very auspicious, sacred element of all pujas, all the havans. You know, it resembles a leaf, a puja leaf. It has some studded accents. All of this is hand stuck. The leaf has a very conch-like feel to it. You know, it appears as though it's made from a shell. It has a very shell-like, ivory shell-like finish to it. So if we combine this, it's gonna be a $55 combo.
It's a beautiful item to be gifted during puja time or whatever. It comes in a box, and the quality is really good. The picture does not
Yeah,
do
the
justice.
pictures really don't do justice, you know, guys. Sometimes the resolution of the computer doesn't really capture all the details. But look at this. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Look at all the detailing and very, very good quality. You know, you can put your haldi and your kumkum, or you can even put ittar in this. You know, for my Muslim friends, if you guys don't use haldi or kumkum, you can even put your little ittars in this. And you know, you have those little sticks that you use to put ittar. So you can use this during your Eid festivals to put, like, you know, some small sacred elements in this, and you know, you can use that. So it's a very versatile piece with the turquoise necklace for $55. The combo is for $55. I have one more necklace, same price range. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful, again, oxidized silver pendant. It's a huge pendant. with lot of cute little accents. And these are agates, these are real stones and ghungru detailing. There's some pearls in there too. Lot of cute elements in this necklace. Comes with these long danglers, very cute looking danglers. I'll give you a close up of it.
What's the shape? You know, the
Yeah,
necklace?
the shape is like a chand,
Very
and
pretty.
it's green in color, so greenish, like turquoise green. This is the close up of the earring. It has a little design and a cute little turquoise drop. It's all hand wire wrapped.
Yes.
So this particular combo with that kumkum dani will also be just for $45. It was originally 455. I marked it down for you guys. So the whole combo itself is going to be for $55.
These are some great deals, guys. Really, these products are basically the price of the whole necklace.
Yes, we had a hard time marking some of these down, but I really wanted you guys to have some good deals. Like I said, we're not making a lot on these, but we're hoping that you get some good deals, which is more important. I have some more variety of kumkum danis. It's going to be the same exact price. It's a $55 combo with those two necklaces that I showed you. And this is another kumkum dani. It's a bright red elephant Ganesha on top. Nice bright red color. And it's got ghungru border. Very pretty. It actually has a nice little sound to it. Looks very heavy and nice. These can be bulk ordered from her, guys,
Absolutely.
for return favors for your occasions. If you have a wedding coming up or a puja coming up, a havan coming up, these are really cute gifts to stock up. If there is nothing coming up, if you just have a party and you just casually want to give cute little return gifts, these are very cute return gifts.
They're very sturdy made, very good quality. The Hindu base is very, very, you can feel it, you know, like it's very sturdy.
So it's a $55 combo with these two necklaces, which have been heavily marked down. I hope you guys have taken your screenshots. Again, like I said, the pictures are available on the event page, so there's no need to panic. I showed you this kumkum dani earlier. We can also pair this kumkum dani along with this for $60 with the necklaces, pair of necklace, earrings, and the kumkum dani, which is a marble kumkum dani, hand studded, hand painted, for $60. Cool. So that's our red and green combo, another one. Kind of red and turquoise combo. I have a few more items coming up for you. Let's have a little pink combo going on now. So I had earlier shown you these little lumbas. I have these in pink, a jute potli in pink, and a cute little necklace in pink as well with pink frosted agates. This is another silver necklace studded and it's got stones in it with the lumba, only for 45 bucks, guys. Only for 45. The necklace itself was $45. Has really cute earrings to go along with it as well. Only for $45 with the lumba. It can also be combined with this really cute envelope clutch, also for $45. Close view of the earrings. Necklace close view again. Very good quality oxidized silver metal finish. Silver is really in right now. It's got some really cute tassels dangling at the end and very, very good quality stones. These are agates and it has like silver slats as spacers and some conical spacers which have hand design on it. Along with the envelope, $45. Along with the Lumba, $45. Along with the Potli, $50. $50 with the Potli. Sorry, $55 because it's a $10. $55 for the Potli and the necklace. Very, very cute buy together. So take a screenshot. I'll show you the earrings one more time. Cute little earrings. So that was my pink combo in that $45-50 range. Very, very affordable. So now that we're done with the necklace, I am going to show you some pink rings. Look at these rings. This is Jaipur Kundan with crystal detailing. Very good quality ring. I'm going to show you all the rings and then I'll tell you the price because it's going to be the same price for each combo. So these are the rings. This is in Firoza and diamonds. Very cute cocktail ring. This is another ring in matte finish. It's a little baby pink finish. And it's got Firoza stones and kundans in it. It's a very, very light baby pink color. Floral design. Some of these rings are more than 40 bucks. I have just bundled them and bucketed them in the same price bucket to just make it reasonable and a good sweet deal for you. Another oval ring with crystal border. I hope you guys can capture the colors very clearly. And it's got a matte finish, matte gold finish. So all of these rings with the lumba and the envelope are going to be $35 only. $35 and an extra $5 off if you place your order today with the lumba and the envelope. All the pink rings. And if you do it with the jute bag, it's going to be 40 bucks. 40 bucks with all of these rings. This is a pink combo. Pink and gold, which goes really, really well. It's a great color combination to give as a gift. So all of these are for 40 bucks, the whole ensemble with the potli. So I have about 6 rings in that pink color combo. So, not a lot of variety. It's only one design per ring. I don't have duplicates of any. So hurry
Single
up
pieces.
and yeah, all single pieces. Hurry up and place the order because the prices are really good. Then you can also combine a neck piece in Firoza, and it's all Firoza and gold. Look at the finishing, guys. Peacock is one of my favorite objects, so you will see a lot of influence of peacocks in a lot of designs. It has some golden balls which have some crystal inlays. This is a boar mala type of a design, as we call it.
Perfect time to use some temple jewelry.
Yes. And there are no deities in this one, so anybody can use it. It doesn't have any specific deities. It's just peacock, a little lotus, latkans, and some pink stones in it. This necklace for today is only for $45 and we can combine it. That's the earring. Very pretty. It has a very intricate mesh design in the earring, and the ball at the bottom has some crystal inlays in there. Very nice, cute latkan. A very, very light wear piece. Looks very stylish when you wear it.
I think we should wear earrings, okay?
Yeah, I don't know why I don't wear
No,
earrings.
we shouldn't.
So this particular neck piece is for 45, and along with this, it's going to be $57 with the potli. $57 with the potli, which is a very, very good deal. It's still under 60.
And again, remember, we will knock off $500 if you
Yes.
order today.
And if you order more than one items, I will give you more discounts. I always take care, this is really, we are just doing this for fun. So making money is definitely a byproduct of it, but we're not greedy. So we want to make sure you get a really good deal. With the envelope and the necklace, it's only 50 bucks. Very, very good gift. 50 bucks. Same goes with the lumba. If you pair the lumba, $50 only. Very, very cute because the pink in this and the pink lumba will really, really complement. So that's that. If you guys like any of these, make a note and shoot us a message. I'll just keep it here. I'm going to do a couple more. I know we're running a little high on time today. Hi, Rashmi. Hi, Misha. Hi, Salome. Thank you all for joining. Because we had so many items, we are running a little over time today. We might have to split it into two lives and have some next week, but I think I have some time to show you a couple more things. Look at this gorgeous red choker from my collection. Very, very pretty choker. It has a thread string, stitching at the back, extremely high finish. Very pretty choker, looks very beautiful when you wear it. Again, a very easy piece to travel with. Mamta has this really exquisite piece of what do you call it? Tea light holder.
I like matte rangoli.
Yeah, it's a ready-made tea light rangoli, a nice matte setting for your centerpieces, for your coffee tables, or just to use it wherever, whenever. It has these, how many these, how many
14.
tea? There are 14 tea lights, guys. 14 tea lights.
And guys, this is all handmade.
Yes.
Every single thing, the bead and everything. When you put it around, you will know, and it's all handmade. Look at the quality. It's right away ready to go. Rangoli is ready in like minutes. You light up the candles and there it is.
Yes, and she's going to give you the tea lights as well. So you don't have to scurry to the store and go get tea lights. So this and the necklace combination is going to be for $80, guys. Not a bad combination at all. These are both very, very heavy pieces. So good deal for $80. I'm going to have her keep holding that, and I'm going to show you two more necklace combinations that are for the same price range. So this is more like a Tibetan tribal type of a necklace. For those of y'all who want to go a little bit more traditional with this, look at these cute pairs of earrings, and you can buy these on this really pretty necklace. It's again a Jaipur Kundan necklace. Side brooches all have Jaipur Kundan in it and crystal detailing. The stringing is all crystals and seed beads, moti seed beads. Look at the fall. Looks very, very pretty and royal when you wear it. That's the look, guys. I'm not gonna wear it, but just showing you. Looks very, very nice. Again, same deal, $80 with this matte setting and two beautiful earrings. $80, guys. That's a great, great combination to have. The prices have been significantly marked lower, so you guys can get a good deal. On this particular one, if you buy this combination today, I will knock off $10. That's an on the spot discount, so you can have the whole combo for $70. These things are all handmade, so do keep in mind the prices are going to be accordingly because they're all handmade pieces. The one I showed you earlier had a conical spacers. These are brooches. This particular neck piece has square brooches, so it's a little bit fusion in concept because the squares give it a very contemporary look. But similar concept, this has less of red stones and more of white seed beads. Very, very royal looking, but lightweight again with Jaipur Kundan necklace. It's a waterfall necklace, as I call it. Looks like this with crystals, and the earrings for this are like this. Very, very pretty earrings, square earrings. You can wear it by themselves. Same deal, 80 bucks for the combo. If you guys order today, I will knock off $70. Do ask me that because this is on the spot discount I'm giving you. So I may not remember. I will have to go back to the video and pull up all these discounts just because I feel like giving it.
Again, guys, we try to pick up festive colors, like we said, like we call it fire colors or sun colors or
Yes.
whatever. It's basically oranges, yellows, greens, and these are all our festive colors. So we try to make combinations with those since the festive season is right around the corner. It will be here sooner than we know.
Absolutely. So we do have a few more combos, but I think we're running over time. So what should we do? Should we wait for next week and come back? Because we have about 4 or 5 combos that we would love to show you. But because we're already at 1 hour and 20 minutes, and typically we like to keep our lives around that time. Do ask us for more pictures. Like I said, all the pictures of these combos have been uploaded on the event site. So a few that we have not shown, we would love to send you individual videos and pictures of those, or we will try and bring those next week for a live. But you can definitely take a look at the pictures on the event page and ask us the bundle pricing. All the orders placed today will receive an extra $5 or $10 discount depending on the quantity of the order. And that's it. I hope you guys had as much fun seeing these combos as much fun we had bringing them to you. We're working really, really hard to bring these to you every week. We're going to think about something new for next week.
Yes, we will be coming with something new every week.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Stay tuned and do join us every week. There's no pressure to buy. If you like, then you buy, but you still tune in to support, and that means a lot for us.
Absolutely.
So, just for today, that's all from me and Mamta. And come on in, just start messaging us with those orders. And we will see you soon next week. Take care, stay safe, and happy festival season to you all.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Hi guys, hope you guys enjoyed our Facebook Live. Since we ran over the time limit a little bit, we were left with some couple more combos that we wanted to show you. So I wanted to show you this really cute Ganesha necklace. Actually, it's a Devi necklace. It's a Lakshmi. So it's perfect for your Varalakshmi festival. It's all in gold, green and red, and has pretty earrings to go with it. This was originally a $55 necklace, but I have lowered the price to $40 for today's combo. So if you combine this necklace with this envelope, it's gonna be for $45 only for the entire combo. I have 2 pieces in the Lakshmi necklace. The other one is like this. Again, it's a really beautiful lotus motif pendant with the Lakshmi ji embedded in it. Both are from my temple jewelry collection. The earrings for the other Lakshmi pendant necklace are like these. And we can combine both of these necklaces. Both of these necklaces can be combined with this envelope for $45 only. The original price for the necklace itself was $55. Now the whole combo is for $45. So I think that's a great deal. Um, if you want to combine the necklaces with the lumbas, same thing, $45. I have two colors of lumbas which go perfectly with the green and red color in the necklaces. So 45 for the lumba with the necklaces. And just like the Diadanis that we showed you, same pricing, $45 with a single piece of Dia. She has them in red as well as green color. So if you want two diyas, then it'll be $40. But if you want one diya only, then $45 with both the necklaces. Same goes with the elephant diyas. These are really cute. So the yellow in them will go perfectly with the gold accents, and that's a great combo to have. Again, $45 for the entire set. Pair of two elephant diyas along with any of these two necklaces. If you buy both the necklaces, I will give you an additional discount. So that's the red deal that we had. Hi guys, so this is our second combo that we could not show on our live today. Also, as shown on the live, we just thought we would just display all the rangolis that we had showed you. This is how you can display them anywhere in the house, and they're all $10 each. As a part of the combo, they are even further reduced in price. So I'm gonna show you a combo with couple of my necklaces from my collection. Again, these are all selected keeping in mind the festival season. So we have picked all the red, green and blue color that will look really cute in the festivals. So this is another really very pretty lotus and Ganesha necklace in silver accents, and all of these are semi-precious agate stones. The spacers are also really cute. They have a lot of detailing in them, and very cute design. It makes really cute sound when you wear it, kind of like a ghungru.
Let's see the pendant down.
And this is the pendant.
Yes.
With Ganesha Latkan at the bottom and lotus Meena work pendant. It's a very cute lightweight necklace. Comes with a pair of earrings. Very cute pair of earrings. This necklace has been marked down from $55 to $40 just for the live. And I have one more necklace in a similar color combination, again made with semi-precious stones and some 4 Rudraksh. This is a Krishna pendant in Meenakari silver and stones with some antique spacers.
It's got some Rudraksh also.
It has some 4 Rudraksh. These are not real Rudraksh, guys. These are 4 Rudraksh. These are synthetic Rudraksh. And the earrings with these are cute lotus stud earrings with colored stone latkans. This one also has been marked down from $55 to $40 for the live. So if you combine any of these necklaces with the rangolis, it's a $50 combo. Any of these rangolis with these two necklaces is a $50 combo. You can also combine these necklaces with this beautiful studded Diya Dani that we were not able to show you. Sorry, it's not a Diya Dani, it's a Kumkum Dani or a Itar Dani. So you can put Itar, Kumkum, Haldi. Again, a $50 combo. Looks really nice to give as a gift also. I have one more really cute Ganesha Kumkum Dani. This comes in 3 different colors. So there is green, there is yellow, and there is red. So the Feta colors are different. Base is yellow and pearl, yellow metal and pearl, and this along with the necklaces will also be a $50 combo. So all of the items that I showed you, you can also combine them with these tea light holders in different colors, and if you get a pair of tea light holders, it'll be a $50 combo as well. So I think this is a very good deal. Same goes with the elephant tea holders. It'll be a $50, actually it'll be lesser. These are $6 and necklace is 40. So $45 combo. It's a $45 combo with a pair of 2 elephant holders, tea light holders, and same goes with the envelopes. $45. And these come in different colors. We have blue, pink, champagne, red, green. So just ask us, DM us for queries and orders. You can also combine them with Lumbas. This complete deal is under 50 bucks. So just mix and match them however you want, and we will get you those customized combos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.